about chord voicing in contrapuntal motion. Just remember three techniques: propel movement, horizontal movement, and elastic potential energy. Both hands are moving inwards. Right hand descending, left hand ascending. So both hands are moving inwards, right? So when you are moving inwards, right, you have to remember which finger is leading the way. So when your hand moving inwards, right, then the thumb is leading the way. So you have to put a little bit of pressure on your thumb, then the pinky to propel descending movement, so you can move quickly for the inner part. So like this. Right. So when you're doing the inner part, make sure that you play it lightly and softly, and then try to minimize the wrist movement in order to minimize the distance. And then now we're doing the left hand. So left hand, so left hand is moving inwards, right? Thumb is playing very important role here. So thumb is leading the way, all right, because it's moving up. So you have to put a little bit of a pressure on your thumb to propel ascending movement. So the thumb is propelling the ascending movement to reach out to the inner part. So both hands, chord, you apply about 80% of arm weight and only 10 to 20% for the inner part. So, and then for the last note, you have to turn your wrist outwards a little bit. So move your wrist a little bit outwards so that you can propel to our direction. Rotate your wrist outwards so you can reach to the next chord quickly. So remember, you're converting the downward kinetic energy into elastic potential energy to propel upward, right? Don't push or jumping off the keys. The more you jump, the more time it takes for you to press the key. Always stay close and feel the trampoline bounce. Always try to move horizontal. You're never jumping off the keys or move vertically, right?